Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into travel essentials. I get asked all the time about my must-have items for trips, so here are the 15 things I never leave home without. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or planning your first adventure, these essentials will up your travel game. Let's get packing. First up, compression socks. These aren't your grandma's socks. They've come a long way and are a game changer. We're talking improved circulation, reduced swelling, and legs that feel fresh even after hours of travel. Plus, they come in fun colors and patterns. They're a secret weapon for comfortable travel. Losing your luggage is a traveler's worst nightmare. Enter AirTags. These little devices are like a guardian angel for your bags. Just pop one in your suitcase and you can track its every move from your phone. No more baggage claim roulette. Let's talk packing. My secret weapon, compression packing cubes. They keep everything organized, compact, and wrinkle-free. I organize mine by outfit or category so I know exactly where everything is. The compression aspect creates extra space in your suitcase out of thin air. A good pair of comfortable walking shoes is non-negotiable when exploring new places. Look for support, cushioning, and breathability. There are so many cute and comfortable walking shoes out there that you can rock with any outfit. Ever gotten to the airport only to find out your bag is overweight? A luggage scale is a must-have. It's small, portable, and saves you from those dreaded overweight baggage fees. Weigh your bags before you head to the airport. Nobody wants to deal with a shampoo explosion in their suitcase. That's why I pack my toiletries in non-leaking TSA-approved bottles. They're durable, leak-proof, and keep everything organized. No more messy spills. You'd be surprised how many people forget a jacket even when traveling to places with unpredictable weather. I always pack a lightweight, versatile jacket with a zipper. It's all about being prepared and staying comfortable. Sometimes a carry-on isn't enough. That's where a trusty duffel bag comes in. I travel with one that has a trolley sleeve so I can easily slip it over my suitcase handle. It's perfect for extra clothes, shoes, or souvenirs and folds up nicely when not in use. Our phones are our lifelines, especially when traveling. An external battery pack is essential. It's a lifesaver for keeping my phone, headphones, and camera charged all day long. When it comes to carry-on luggage, 4 wheels are better than 2. A carry-on roller bag with 4 wheels makes navigating airports a breeze. You can effortlessly glide through tight spaces and avoid bumping into people. It's much easier on your back and shoulders. Along with my carry-on, I always bring a personal item with a trolley sleeve. It's the perfect size for my essentials and fits right over my suitcase handle. Look for one with multiple compartments to keep everything organized. When exploring a new city or hiking, I need a comfortable and supportive bag. A good backpack with adjustable straps and a chest strap distributes weight evenly so my back doesn't feel strained after a long day. I always pack a pair of comfortable slippers for wearing around my hotel room. It's all about feeling cozy and pampered, even when you're away from home. Plus, it's more hygienic than walking barefoot in a hotel room. Whether on a long-haul flight or in a bright hotel room, a blackout eye mask is a game changer. It blocks out all light, creating the perfect environment for restful sleep. A must-have for any light sleeper or anyone traveling across time zones. Noise-canceling headphones are essential for drowning out the noise of a busy airport or a noisy hotel. They're a lifesaver for creating a peaceful and relaxing travel experience. And there you have it, my top 15 travel essentials. I hope you found this video helpful. Drop your travel essentials in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.